Now you see question number 3. How many degrees are there in the following? First one is 3 right angles. Alright. Now how we will solve this? 3 right angles means one right angle equals to 90 degrees. So 3 means 90 plus 90 plus 90 gives us 270 degree. Next is 1/6 of a straight angle. Now 1/6 of a straight means into straight angle means 180. Now 6 and 180 can be cancelled, it becomes 30. So 30 into 1 gives us 30 degree. Next you see 3/4 of a straight angle. So 3 by 4 into 180 degree, because straight angle is 180. 4 and 180 can be cancelled. So it becomes 45. 45 into 3 gives us 135. Alright. 2 straight angles gives us 180 plus 180 equals to 360. Okay. Then 1/3 of a complete angle means 1/3 into 360. Complete means 360. So 3 and 360 can be cancelled. It becomes 120. 120 into 1 is 120. Alright. Next you see question number 7. This I have not done. This I will explain you. You can do it on your own. Write the measures of some acute angles, reflex angles, obtuse angles. Now acute angles means what? It is any angle between 0 degree to 90 degree. So you can write the any measurement between 0 to 90 degree. You can write 10 degree, 20 degree, 35 degree, 45 degree, 50 degree, any measurement you can write, but it should be between 0 to 90. Next is reflex angle. Reflex angle means its measurement should be between 180 to 360. So in between 180 to 360 you can write the measurement of any angle. Alright, you can write 180, 200, 210, 215, 218, 280. Alright. Next comes obtuse angles. So here you have to write the measurement in between 90 degree and 180 degree. So in between 90 and 180 you can write any measurement. Alright. Next you come to question number 8. Correct the statement. You see all the statements that have been given here, all these statements, they are wrong statements. You have to do the correction. Okay. Now you see one complete angle equals to 2 right angles. Now one complete angle equals to 2 right angles. Is this correct? It's not correct, because 2 right angles means 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 gives us how much? 180. Now 180 is not a complete angle. 180 is a straight angle. So your correct answer will be one complete angle is equal to 4 right angles. If you add 90 degree 4 times, then you get one complete angle. Okay. Next you see a straight angle is more than a reflex angle. Now a straight angle means what? It is 180 degree, and reflex angle means in between 180 to 360. So obviously it is not more, it is less than a reflex angle. So a straight angle is less than a reflex angle. Similarly all the other statements are given, so accordingly we have done the correction. Okay. Study the chapter and practice the maths carefully.